In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate from Squarespace's main site into your account dashboard, open your website settings, and get to the Meta Pixel and Ads section to integrate the Facebook Meta Pixel with your site. Start by opening your browser and heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is a great entry point whether you're brand new or returning. If you're already logged in, you'll see options to continue working on your site or explore templates. If you're not logged in yet, Squarespace will prompt you to sign in or create an account. Either way, once you're on the page and signed in, you're ready to move on. Look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This icon opens your account menu, which is where Squarespace groups all of your personal and site-level controls. If you manage multiple sites or products, this is the place that ties everything together. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. Think of the Account Dashboard as your mission control. Here you can view all your sites, manage domains and billing, and jump into key settings. If you ever feel lost, you can always return to this dashboard to reorient yourself. Inside the dashboard, find and click Website. This takes you to the area dedicated to your website's setup and connections. If you also use other Squarespace products like domains or scheduling, you'll see those nearby. But for today, we're focusing specifically on your website's configuration. With the website section open, use the search bar at the top of the settings or navigation and type Meta Pixel. When Meta Pixel and Ads appears, click it. This panel is where you connect your Facebook Meta Pixel so you can track traffic and conversions from your ads. You'll typically see a field for your Pixel ID and simple toggles or options to control what gets tracked. Paste your Pixel ID carefully, double-check for extra spaces, and save your changes. If you manage multiple pixels, confirm you're using the correct one from your Meta Events Manager. After saving, give it a few minutes and verify that the connection is working. Many users like to use the Meta Pixel Helper browser extension to confirm events are firing, and it can take a short while before data shows up in your analytics. That's it. You've navigated from Squarespace's starting page to your account dashboard, opened your website settings, and reached the Meta Pixel and Ads section to connect your tracking. If the interface looks slightly different on your end, use the search bar in Settings. The label Meta Pixel and Ads is the key term to find.